Welcome to 7th part of my Google Classroom. In this video, you can see how is the student's classroom and how they can handle it, such as how to answer their assignments, what are all settings available in student's classroom. Let's see in detail one by one. Now, I am in one of my student classroom. As a student, you have two classrooms. You can look at the status of your works given to you in a particular classroom without going into the classroom by clicking above this button to do. Select all classes or a particular class from the drop-down list in which you are going to do works assigned there. Here are three important options to verify the status of work. First one, assigned. If you are having work to do, that will be listed under assigned. See here, three more works are in order to be done. If you missed some work to do within given due date, that will be listed under missing. See, you never failed to do a single work. If you completed the work within due date, that will be listed under done. You completed three works as of now, in which one was graded and two was submitted. You can submit your assigned work by clicking here itself, by adding your answer script and click mark as done. There is second way to come here. Let's see that also. Go back. Select this main menu and choose your classes. Select particular class you are going to work. You can see the same options by clicking view all. See the same options as set in the first way. Go back. Here are three important tabs as in teacher classroom except the tab grade. By clicking this link, you can share something with your classmates, which I explained clearly in my part 2 video. So no need to explain about stream tab. Here is second way of doing your classwork by clicking classwork tab. See here left hand side, you can use navigation bar to switch between specific topic. Now we can see all topics in the classroom as selected. If you need specific topic, choose that one. You can see status of work under the topic class test series. See the status of work as assigned. You are not yet submitted. Status turned in. You have sent an answer to the question asked by your teacher, but he or she has not evaluated your answer yet. If the answer had been evaluated, it would have been graded instead of turned in. Remember, your teacher did not ask question based on the assessment, but instead asked the updation of your laboratory study. So, you can change the answer you submitted earlier and you are still permitted to edit answer by clicking this edit option. Yes, edit. Edit the current value if any, then click turn in. Next question status graded. The answer you sent has been evaluated by your teacher and sent to you, so far graded. To see your score, just click here. Your score is 10 out of 10. Teacher gave online quiz assignment, but you have not submitted it yet. Also, the teacher sent a questionnaire for class test. So, in total, we have 3 assignments on the to-do list. We will do the pending work one by one. Here, you are given 2 works in which one is test and other is quiz. Click on test. Read the instructions carefully. Total score of test is 50 marks. Click question paper to view. See 5 2 marks and 2 20 marks for total marks 50. See also your teacher has prepared this question paper using rubric, which is planned in advance for evaluation. Teacher has divided the score of 2 into 3 levels, one of which is 2 marks if your answer is exactly correct, 1 mark if part of correct answer, 0 mark if answer is wrong. Use the same category for all 2 marks. For 20 marks question, if answer is exactly correct, you will be given full score, that is 20 marks. 2 marks will be deducted if there are small mistakes, that is 18 marks. Similarly, you can check all the levels before you go to answer. From this, student can understand how the teacher has divided the marks. I am going to type my answer as a student. If you have written your answers on papers, you can convert it to a single PDF and attach it here using file option. Or you can create any of these docs, slides, sheets and drawings and type your answer in it. Now I am selecting Google Docs to type my answer as a student. Google automatically add a document in your name for typing. Click on it and rename your document as instructed by your class teacher as subject name and register number followed by your class test number. Now I am going to type my answer. I have finished typing my answer to all the questions in the question paper. We don't need to save it like a normal Word document. Look here, it saves automatically in your drive. If you want, you can click turn in here itself. I am closing this document. Your document is attached. If needed, you can send private comments to your class teacher. You created your answer scripts as Google document which is attached here automatically because you made it with Google Docs. Note the important point that you have completed the test but not yet submitted. Click turn in. It asks your permission to submit. Click turn in. At the instant, it is submitted to teacher ID. Even if you sent incorrectly, you can reattach your correct answer by clicking this button instead. Note the point, this option will be disabled if teacher evaluates your paper. See the change turned in instead of assigned in your classwork tab. You can submit all the remaining works like this. Now click on the second work to submit. It is easy to answer multiple choice questions, that is quiz in Google form, which will make automatic correction and corresponding results in Google Sheets. Just click on it. All you have to do is type in your personal details. As a student, I typed my personal details. It's enough to just click answer for remaining questions. Selected answer for all the questions. Enable this slider if you need the copy of your answer sheet. Better to enable. Then click submit. See here, your response has been recorded, submitted and assignment marked as done. You can also view your score because you submitted quiz in Google form. Just click, see your score and all your answers. If needed, you can also post your comments either for your classmates or personally for your class teacher. There is no comment to post, so I am going back to submit another assigned work. Note the point, turned in instead of assigned. I am going to go ahead to submit third work. Click on it. Read the instructions given by teacher. No attachments here. Question is directly given. Verify also rubric for out of 10 marks. I have prepared my answer in written. For this work, I am going to add my written copy as a PDF. So click on, select file. I am going to upload from my device. So browse, class test, select the file, open. File is attached. Click turn in. Yes, turn in. One more important message for students. Don't get panic. If you receive message your submitted work as missing after a while, your teacher may return your answer for some important reason. Even you may submit your PDF or answer script in any form without clarity for evaluation. In that situation, what you do is, you just correct your work again as per teacher's comment in the written copy. As usual, submit the corrected copy again. That's all about submitting and correcting your assignments. Main menu. If you click on calendar, you can see all works assigned to you with due date. Google automatically do it for you. Next one, archive classes. That means already used class is not activated now, but it may be either activated later or deleted by the teacher. See, no archived classes. Last one, settings. Now, receive email notifications is enabled. If you don't want to receive any email notifications from this classroom, just turn off. Hereafter, there will be no email from this classroom. Or, specifically, you can select one option for which you want email notification. Regarding comments, you can off this one. It's better to on all these options from teachers. You can also turn off class notifications for specific class or on. Likewise, select as you need. Even you can change your profile picture by clicking here. I don't want to change, so closing it. These are all about basic settings in students' classroom. I hope you learned a clear idea what to do in classroom. Let's wait to receive grade from teacher. Your teacher has evaluated all the answers you have submitted and sent them back to you. Let's see how its view is and we will see what we can do. I have only 2 students in my classroom. Now I am going to open one of my students' window. As I said earlier, you can choose any one way to see your grade. I am selecting classwork. Select view your work or simply clicking one by one from the list below under class test series or any one topic. I select first one. It is graded. To view your score, click view assignment. Your score is 8 out of 10. Verify remaining things if needed. I am going back to choose another way, that is view your work. See, all your papers are graded. You wrote 4 different tests for total of 80 marks. First test for 50 marks, second for 10 marks, third for 10 marks and fourth for 10 marks. So total test for 80 marks. Add all your scores 50, 10, 10 and 8, that is 78 out of 80 marks. See, overall percentage above here. You scored 78 out of 80. This is calculated by 78 by 80 into 100. That's your overall percentage is 97.5%. Also, it will update automatically if you write test in future, that is as cumulative marks. That is in the form of cumulative percentage. You can see all details regarding class test 2 by simply clicking on and view details. You can send private comments to your teacher also. Going back, similarly, click one by one to verify. I am going to second student window. Note the reply as missing. That means the exam paper you submitted has been returned without evaluation. To verify what happened, just click on read the private comment carefully. That's your scanned copy is not clear, so resubmit your clear scanned copy of the same. Understand what mistake you had done. So I have to scan my test paper clearly. I have done what my teacher said. Now it is ready to attach. For that, click view details. Cancel the last work you submitted. Select add, file, choose upload, browse, select the correct one. Correct file is attached. Then click turn in. Accept turn in. Second time you submitted, so see here above turned in late. Going back to verify the next work. For this assignment, 4 marks reduced. You can also see why the score is reduced. For that, click on view details. Look at how clearly and accurately Google has made an automatic reply. So far, we have to thank Google team for giving such a clear application. Verify the rubric for how many marks the teacher has given to each question. If you have any discrepancies in allotted marks, You can send a private comment to your class teacher. Note that the comment is private. See here, third question is wrong. That is 0 marks. So, 2 marks have been dropped. Also in question number 6, you did small mistake. Here also minus 2 marks. So far 46 marks out of 50. Also look here, answer scripts returned. If you want to see is there any comments listed by your teacher, just open the document to verify. See here list of comments by your teacher. You can also reply for comments by typing here and reply. Hope you understand all features in students' classroom. Practice well to get betterment. Thank you for listening.